Hello! Before anything else today, I would like to say thank you. It makes me feel really good that 1,100 people found something I did entertaining. And it couldn't have happened at a better time, because it turns out if you deploy buggy code on a Friday and it blue screens millions of computers, disrupting critical systems and infrastructure, they'll just fire you. I'm just kidding. I know it seems like a pretty simple thing to do, hitting that subscribe button, but on the receiving end, it feels pretty special. So thank you for getting me here, and I wanted to mention this was not meant to be my 1,000 sub special. I had a different thing planned. Why isn't it firing? Oh, I forgot to arm it. Oh. Ow. No. But we got to this little milestone a lot faster than I had calculated. Or I build things really slowly. So instead, I think we'll celebrate by testing your submissions, which seems appropriate actually. But from now on, if you don't at least beat ChatGPT's blades, link to that video below by the way, you're going straight in the bin. We can't let the AIs win. Let's take a look at the turbines we'll be testing today. First is a design from Moby. They've appeared in at least 2 other YouTube channels competitions that I know of, and I think that might make them a professional design challenge contestant. It's nice to be noticed by an actual celebrity. Moby's design is a revision of their original Tesla valve design. The new design removes the valves from the outside of the blade, in hopes of increasing lift and reducing drag, while still retaining the self-starting abilities that we saw previously. Its name is the jellyfish, I think because it has little bloopies like a jelly boy do. Next we have a pretty cool design that I almost couldn't print because of the overhang. It's a Helical NACA 0018 by a viewer named Rudolf. Rudolf is hoping that by twisting the blades, the turbine will have some self-starting ability. I have a little bit of a concern about the cord length, but we'll see if the twist is magic. And last up, we have a turbine called the Double Blade, or maybe the Bibi blade, by Paul. You might remember Paul's triple-double design that ate an asparagus. I wonder if this one's hungry too. The double-triple did well considering the cord length, and I've got high hopes for this new design. Alright, let's get these things glued together and into the wind tunnel. Oh, and I took your advice, and I bought some accelerator. Highly flammable, causes skin irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness, may cause damage to organs, toxic if inhaled. Can someone recommend a CA accelerator that won't destroy my organs? I kind of need my organs. First up is the Jellyfish by Moby. Oh, I almost forgot. I made an update to the testing software. Instead of adding the maximum output and name to the clip while I'm editing, I added it to the software's display. This is going to save me minutes while I edit. You just type the name in here. Why does this keep happening to me this week? Alright, I fixed it. Let's test Jason's Jelly Boy. That was a huge improvement over the previous version. Well done. Okay, next up, I think Rudolf and the Helical NACA 0018. Go, 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 go. Yep, that's what I was worried would happen. I think probably give it a little bit more cord length and this might do really well. Next up, Paul's double-double, or bye-bye. I don't know what to call it. I have some pretty high hopes for this one. Hey, another good result. A pretty big improvement for the bye-bye blade. Let's look at the results. First, the Helical NACA 0018 from Rudolf. It gets a DNF. I did try to give it a hand start, but it just didn't want to go. Paul's bye-bye blade made 1.1165 watts and an efficiency of 2.8754%, improving quite a bit over the triple twin version, like 50% improved. Finally, Jason, or Moby Obi's jellyfish, made 1.4131 watts and an efficiency of 3.8009%, which is a 250% increase over his original design. Let's look and see where these end up overall. The Helical 0018 ended up in 29th, the bye-bye ended up in 8th, and Jason's jellyfish ended up in 6th overall. Really well done. I think the Helical blade with about a 50mm cord would do very well. I hope we get to see that. All of the information that you need to participate in the Turbine Challenge will be down in the description. If you liked what you saw today, give the video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see, leave a comment down below. Okay, thanks, bye. Oh, I almost forgot.